When the first Bitcoin was mined, not many people knew that this was about to be a major part of our lives. About a decade later, cryptocurrency has proven that it could make millionaires out of us and also has the potential to be a major means of exchange on the market. Regardless, there are hundreds of cryptocurrencies available today, and with how volatile the market is, we have to be careful not to invest our hard-earned money on coins that would be a total waste of time. This video will serve as a guide on those coins that are worth paying attention to. However, before going ahead with these recommendations, you should do proper research and be properly convinced that this is the way to go. And before we get into the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss any of the new videos we post. And now, let's talk about how to make some cool cash with cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin. Of course, being the most popular cryptocurrency on the block right now, we're sure no one is surprised to see Bitcoin at the top of our list. Although right now, it may seem like a bad idea because the market is having a short-term correction. It went from having a market cap of more than $1 trillion to about $700 billion. No doubt about it, many people have lost a lot to the cryptocurrency market, even though this number is still quite huge. But anyone who is familiar with Bitcoin knows that it's not strange to have these drops. In fact, in the last decade, Bitcoin has lost as much as 25%, and look where it is at today. Ever since the first Bitcoin came into existence in January of 2009, this cryptocurrency has dominated and even hit the $60,000 mark in April of 2021. That means that it accounted for almost 70% of the entire market. Meanwhile, let's not forget that a lot of companies are starting to accept Bitcoin as an official means of payment, and it's even moving towards becoming a gold standard in the decentralized finance world. When it comes to that worldwide acceptance, you can mostly find it with Bitcoin compared to the other cryptocurrencies we have around. So there's that assurance that it'll come back up eventually. It's that big dog on the porch that's not going anywhere. So when it comes to some of the best cryptocurrencies to put your money in this year, Bitcoin is an easy choice. If it picks up its former trends, Bitcoin could well go into six figures within the next few years. But let's wait and see as it all unfolds. Ethereum. Another cryptocurrency that is fast becoming a favorite among experienced traders and even beginners is Ethereum. This is actually a lot of people's favorite, with expectations for this crypto getting to as high as $10,000 in the next few years. It's actually possible, and now is a good opportunity to invest in Ethereum. This crypto is more than just decentralizing currency, but it takes it a step further by decentralizing the internet itself. In 2021 alone, Ethereum has gained almost 500% and is considered the second best next to Bitcoin. Ethereum 2.0 is already in the works, and this is a promising cryptocurrency for 2021. Cardano. Cardano has all the potential to make big waves in the cryptocurrency market. Although some people see this as a competitor to Ethereum, there can be more than one winner in the crypto industry, and your portfolio will be better for it. Diversifying in this market is highly recommended, and taking a few out of the promising cryptocurrencies on this list will give you enough to get tidy returns. Of course, we all saw the correction where it went down a few dollars, and now the correction is letting up a little bit. Here's a little breakdown of what Cardano is about. This cryptocurrency network was created majorly to bring about a public blockchain platform for smart contracts, and its eternal cryptocurrency is ADA. It already had a market cap of more than $40 billion as of March and looks promising for the future. Dodgecoin. For a coin that started as a joke, it has pretty good prospects. The software programmers Jackson Palmer and Billy Marcus only wanted to make fun of the cryptocurrency speculation that was quite popular at the time. But today, Dodgecoin is no longer a joke. We all know the effects of Elon Musk's backing on a coin, and his supportive tweets are one of the reasons why this coin has moved from being a meme coin to a potential moneymaker in the cryptocurrency market. Of course, it's going to be a long ride, but the fact that this is the first cryptocurrency to be used to fund a space trip is a step in the positive direction. There's a good chance that Elon will back this up for a long time, and that would send its price soaring through the roof. Polkadot. Several experts have noticed the consistent rise of Polkadot, and we think it's a good cryptocurrency to pay some attention to. Not so long ago, the Osprey team in charge of a publicly traded Bitcoin fund in the United States known as the Osprey Bitcoin Trust launched the Osprey Polkadot Trust. They are super excited about this cryptocurrency being a major leap forward in the drive towards decentralizing the internet. Not only can blockchains on this platform scale globally, the security and speed are also top-notch. There's also the fact that one of the co-founders of Polkadot Polkadot, is also the co-founder of Ethereum, and that's a plus for this crypto. When checking for this currency to trade, note that it is written as DOT. In the past month, it went to almost $50 each, but there was a drop, just like we've been experiencing with most cryptocurrencies in the current market. However, it's steadily making its way back to the top, and it doesn't look like it would take more than a few months to surpass even $50. The next 3 years look good for our forecast for this cryptocurrency, and it's only a matter of time before we find out if it's true. Best to have some of it in your portfolio though, if it really does turn out great. Theta. For Theta, this cryptocurrency will launch its mainnet 3.0 possibly by the end of June, although this is about 3 months late. It had to be postponed from March because it wasn't ready yet, but all the cool features here suggest that it will be worth the wait. There are also some new ways to use the tokens, and this is a big event for Theta. So far, the chart is looking really good for this crypto, especially since the general crash of March 2020. It was able to recover quite well before the second crash that happened just after Elon Musk's tweets. Still, there's still a strong uptrend line indicating that we have a good position to get in. Of course, this coin is still recovering from the crash that's been happening in the last few weeks, but there are strong indications that it could outperform the market, and the sole reason for this lies in the successful launch of the Theta mainnet 3.0. We have the month of June to monitor the trends with the potential to head back to its previous all-time highs and then go higher depending on the fast or slow recovery of the market. In the cryptocurrency market, you need to understand that there will always be two scenarios where the crypto could either move up or move down. However, Theta is a promising cryptocurrency that might even give us a new all-time high in the month of June. Given its reputation of having really big runs when it picks up its pace, we saw a bit of that last year, so this chart looks extremely bullish. Chiliz. Not many people would have heard about this cryptocurrency, but you'll understand more about it in a minute. Basically, Chiliz deals with fan tokens for some of our popular sports clubs, especially football clubs like Manchester City, Juventus, and Barcelona. Right now, they're also linked with the esports organizations like Navi, while also making a move towards being a part of the UFC and Formula 1. What this means is that we should be expecting some token generation events for the biggest mixed martial arts organization in the world, known simply as UFC. So what's so great about Chiliz? Well, this fan token is being created to engage with the fans, and we all know how much billions of people around the world are addicted to various kinds of sports. There will be a lot of anticipation for these events because there's that huge appeal to a diverse fan base. Right now, though, they are doing token generations for Manchester City and Formula 1, which are both sports getting a lot of attention. A quick glance at the current trend on the Chiliz chart shows that it's mostly bullish. In 2021, it has gone way up already, went down a little bit, but is now making its way to the top again. If it's able to maintain a steady run, then we could be looking at a new all-time high pretty soon. If the market recovers fully like the current trend is suggesting, then we should be in for some positive results with Chiliz. Technically, we could say this cryptocurrency is looking pretty good as the fundamentals are fueling the idea that there could be some good run for it in a short while. Cryptocurrency is something that is here to stay, so it is so much better to do the right research and pick the right coins that will give you suitable returns in a few years. This is the right place to start from and will guide you on how to set up your portfolio for the coming years. However, remember to do your due diligence on these picks and be sure that they fit your idea of a money-making venture. Of course, there is no business without risks, so you have to be ready to brave through the low moments while you wait for the inevitable peaks that will come up as you trade on these coins. Regardless, we wish you the best of luck. And there you have it. These are promising cryptocurrencies that we think you must invest in this year. Which one is your favorite on the list? And who else do you think should have made our list? Let me know in the comments. And that's a wrap. Thanks for watching.